What if your API documentation lets you test your endpoints right from the API docs page? Today, we are reviewing Mintlify, an AI-native API documentation platform that turns boring documentation into interactive experience. And we'll see if this new platform is better than we already have other options like API Dog, Postman, etc.
So let's get started by setting up Mintlify and exploring their features. Head over to mintlify.com and click Get Started or Sign Up. You can sign up with your email, Google, or GitHub account. The sign up process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and you will land in the Mintlify dashboard. From here, you can create your first documentation project. Mintlify is an AI native documentation platform built to be beautiful out of the box and collaborating for teams. Once you are in, you can either start from the scratch or import an existing specification. The platform creates clean, modern documentation automatically. You can see the navigation structure, clean typography, and professional appearance. This is what Mintlify does well. It looks great without customization. Now, here's Mintlify's key feature, the API Playground. Each endpoint page has a try it section where developer can test API directly from the documentation. But when we tried, we got some error, and this is quite common with documentation platforms. The playground interface works, but the demo endpoints often aren't properly configured. This isn't necessarily Mintlify's fault, but it highlights an important point. Interactive playgrounds are only as good as the API setup behind them. Tools like API Dog solves these by providing reliable mock servers and proper environment management. And at $9 per month plan rather than Mintlify's freaking $250 monthly pro plan. When properly configured, you point the playground at your API using OpenAPI server field, then parameters get mapped from your spec. You can customize and hide playground per page using MDX and configuration file. However, Mintlify doesn't offer mock server for development. If that's crucial, platforms like API Dog, Postman provide built-in mocking alongside documentation for much cheaper. Mintlify's standout feature is supposed to be the embedded AI assistant that provides contextual answers and code snippets, but that's the catch. I'm on the free plan, and when I tried to access the AI assistant, it is locked behind the pro plan paywall. So this impressive AI feature that sets Mintlify apart, you'll need to pay $250 a month to actually use it. The free tier gives you basic documentation, but the AI assistant that makes the platform special requires their premium subscription. This is a significant limitation because of the AI assistant is arguably Mintlify's main differentiator. Without it, you are essentially paying premium prices for standard documentation features that other platforms offer more affordably.
Now, let's be clear about what Mintlify is and isn't. It's documentation centric and fantastic for interactive examples and in-context help. It's not full automated testing oriented platform. Bottom line, if you want something fast, beautiful documentation with live testing functionality and with an AI helper, Mintlify is an excellent option. But if you want end-to-end API development with testing, mocking, and team collaboration, platforms like API Dog could be a good consideration. I'll be doing a detailed comparison between API Dog and Mintlify soon and showing you where and when to use each tool. Subscribe the channel so that you don't miss out the breakdown, and let me know in the comment section which platform suits your workflow better. And I'll see you in the next one.